The best dash cams record what's happening in front of you as you drive, but most can do more than that. Some offer traffic warnings and driver assistance if you get too close to the car in front, while others can alert emergency services in the event of an accident by knowing your location. Dash cams are changing rapidly. A modest front camera on the dashboard will provide minimal security and is much better than no protection at all. While the basic dash cameras only cover the front of the vehicle and show the view through the glass, some come in pairs, either as a standalone kit or as an upgrade, with a second rear camera to record what's happening behind the vehicle. Links to our products mentioned in the video are available in the description below. We've listed the top 5 best dash cams for 2023 and best budget dash cams 2023 and their important features, along with the factors you should evaluate to assist you choose the ideal one for you. Number 5. Nextbase 622GW Front and Rear Dashcam. The 622GW Dashcam offers top-of-the-range 4K recording quality, allowing you to capture finer details and important information like number plates with utmost clarity. When it comes to recording quality, 4K is as good as it gets for a dash cam. Additionally, the rear camera module of the 622GW can record at an impressive 1080p, providing coverage of your car from multiple angles and giving you greater peace of mind. One notable feature of the 622GW dashcam is its image stabilization system. This system effectively reduces the impact of vibrations from your vehicle and bumps on the road, resulting in steady footage. When you play back the footage recorded by the 622GW, you'll notice that it remains stable, making it easier to discern finer details, such as number plates. The 622GW dashcam also comes equipped with dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, making it the first dashcam to feature 5 GHz Wi-Fi. This means you can enjoy the fastest transfer speeds possible, allowing you to download footage from your 622GW to your phone more quickly than ever before. Lastly, the 622GW dashcam introduces super slow motion, an upgrade from previous models. With super slow motion, you can view your 622GW footage at 1080 and 120 fps, allowing you to closely analyze what happens in an incident. This feature is particularly useful for capturing important details like number plates, which are essential for determining fault. Number 4. JOMISE 4K Mirror Dashcam. JOMISE has upgraded its Type-C interface for dashcams, offering a thin design with enhanced functionality. The new interface features 24 built-in pins, supports USB 3.1 high-speed transmission, and provides reliable plug-and-play capability for at least 10,000 times. This upgrade addresses common issues found in traditional mini-USB interfaces, such as black screens, restarts, and deformation due to high temperatures. The JOMISE 4K dashcam delivers exceptional image quality, even in low-light conditions, allowing for clear capture of license plate numbers. With its true 4K resolution, which is nearly twice that of 1080p, it records high-definition and smooth footage regardless of the lighting conditions, be it day or night, rain or shine. The JOMISE 4K dashcam proves to be an indispensable tool for users. Number 3. Volway 10-inch 4K Mirror Dashcam. The Volway Mirror Dashcam introduces an advanced voice control function, enabling users to conveniently operate various features through voice commands. With voice control, users can easily turn on or off the screen, lock the video, display both video feeds, take photos, and start or stop video recording. This feature aims to enhance driving safety and provide a more user-friendly experience. The dashcam boasts 4K dual cameras that offer ultra-high-definition video resolution of up to 3840x2160p 4K. This high resolution ensures clear footage, allowing for the capture of license plates even from a distance. The front lens can be adjusted up to 170 degrees, while the rear lens provides a 160 degrees field of view. Together, they cover a total of 330 degrees, significantly reducing blind spots and capturing a broader range of scenes on the road. Number 2. Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dashcam. ADA's collision avoidance technology is an advanced system that helps detect nearby obstacles and provides alerts to ensure safe driving. It consists of 5 essential ADAS alerts: forward collision, pedestrian collision, lane departure, headway monitoring, and forward movement. These alerts work together to enhance driver awareness and prevent potential accidents. Equipped with an excellent 4K Ultra HD dual camera, the car camera captures high-resolution footage with exceptional detail. The 4K UHD front camera, combined with HER technology, ensures optimal image quality, enabling the recording of crucial information such as road signs and license plates. The mirror dashcam also utilizes advanced image processing technology to minimize glare distortion caused by vehicles behind or daylight conditions. Number 1. WOLFBOX G840's 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam. The G840's rearview mirror camera offers several upgraded features. The front camera now captures stunning 4K UHD resolution, while the rear camera records at 1080. The larger 12 full rear display provides a broad view and reduces blind spots compared to ordinary rearview mirrors. The Smart Screen Split function allows you to view both the front and rear lenses simultaneously. The 2.5D curved screen enhances visibility and integrates seamlessly with your existing mirror, giving it an OEM look. With a built-in high-quality chip, the WOLFBOX mirror camera ensures clear image quality. It uses an upgraded low-reflectivity LCD to minimize reflections during the day. The camera employs WDR and HER technology to balance lighting and a Starvis sensor with a 6-glass lens for improved night vision. Additional smart functions include streaming media rearview, upside down and mirror flip options for the rear image, G sensor for incident detection, loop recording, and adjustable display view angle. For more detail, follow the links given in the description box down below. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.